Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Ikaetri Foldable Keyboard and Mouse Combo, a portable solution designed for those of us who are constantly on the move. This kit aims to provide a convenient typing and navigation experience without the bulk of traditional peripherals. The first thing you notice is its portability. The keyboard folds neatly into a compact size, and the included case houses both the keyboard and the mouse. The case dimensions are approximately 12 by 5.5 by 1.6 inches, making it easy to slip into a bag or backpack. This is a definite plus for travel or working in different locations. Connectivity is versatile, offering both 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth options. The keyboard boasts 3 Bluetooth channels, allowing you to connect to 3 different devices and switch between them using the FN key and BT123. The mouse supports both 2.4G and dual Bluetooth, with a dedicated mode switch button and a USB receiver located at the bottom. This multi-device connectivity is a huge time saver for anyone who juggles multiple devices throughout the day. Compatibility is broad, supporting Mac, iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. It works seamlessly with laptops, tablets, iMacs, MacBooks, iPads, and smartphones. Setting up the devices was straightforward, and the connection remained stable during testing. Both the keyboard and mouse are rechargeable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The keyboard has a claimed standby time of up to 3 months, which is impressive. It also features a power-saving mode, entering sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity. Waking it up is as simple as pressing any key. A Type-C charging cable is included for convenient charging. The keyboard itself features a number pad, which is a welcome addition for those who frequently work with numbers. The keys have a decent amount of travel and provide a tactile feedback, making typing comfortable for extended periods. The foldable design does introduce a slight learning curve, but most users should adapt quickly. The mouse is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It offers smooth and precise tracking on various surfaces. The Bluetooth connection was reliable, and the buttons provide a satisfying click. Overall, the Ikaetri Foldable Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a well-designed and practical solution for anyone seeking a portable and versatile input device. Its compact size, multi-device connectivity, broad compatibility, and rechargeable batteries make it a compelling option for travel, business trips, or working on the go. While the foldable design may take some getting used to, the benefits of portability and convenience outweigh any minor drawbacks. If you're in the market for a portable keyboard and mouse solution, the Ikaetri Combo is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.